I'd like to try an experiment. If you would just give me your undivided attention for a few moments. If you're doing other things while listening to this, just for a moment, just stop and listen. You in the audience, ladies, I want you to think of an even number between 1 and 10. Gentlemen, if you would please think of any odd number between 1 and 10. I'm going to list some descriptive words in a numerical list. The number that you thought of, I want you to remember the descriptive words associated with that number. When we get to that number, remember the descriptive terms. This will be important later. Number 1, precious metal. Number 2, yarn. Number 3, cutlery. Number 4, golden in color. Number 5, highly polished. Number 6, a ball. Number 7, sharp. Number 8, a cat's toy. Number 9, hand tool. And finally, number 10, round. All of you have some descriptive terms. Now I'm going to list some random objects. Match your descriptive term to the most likely object that fits. Gentleman's top hat. Blue felt tip pen. Postage stamp. Carving knife. Yellow ball of yarn. Oil painting. Antique clock. Horse-drawn buggy. Caribbean island. Old dusty book. Now, ladies and gentlemen, if you would please stretch out your right hand and hold it in front of you. In your empty hand, I want you to imagine the object that you matched your descriptive terms with from the random list of objects that closely correlated to your descriptive terms. Imagine that object in your hand. Feel the weight of it in your hand. Try to imagine the texture. Ladies, you're imagining a yellow ball of yarn. And gentlemen, be careful. You don't want to cut yourself with that carving knife. Choices. We all make them, although they aren't always ours. Social media shapes the thoughts of so many. Every day, people rush to get on their social media accounts to see the latest, to keep up with the information highway. Today's society, we're led to believe based on what social media tells us. And we're always thinking that we've had no outside interference, no stimuli to help us formulate our independent thoughts. Nothing could be further from the truth. Be an independent thinker. Choose wisely.